All right, guys, it's day 3.
Hey.
Woo! And we are.
Me cow.
We're at Family Farm and Home because Atlas wanted to work in the garden, and she wants to look at chicks.
And buy some.
So let's see you guys inside. What is it, Atlas? There's a Bigfoot one. Where a Bigfoot? That's not a Bigfoot. That's a big bird. You ready to head in?
Dad, you see this one?
No, wait, we gotta go this way.
You saw me first.
Look at these stuffies. It's a stuffed yak.
Give me one. That look. This one's so comfy.
It's only $400. Can I sit in it with you?
Nope, mine.
Guys, Atlas just sat on it and I said not to sit on it.
No,
My butt touched it, but I didn't sit on it. The sign fell off. Oh gosh.
you're not
We're in Wassel Corona. Come to the pet adoption on April 12th. 11 to 3.
Wanna go? Dad, sit like this. Back.
I think I hear something.
Yes.
It says don't touch them.
This hat
What do you have, Atlas?
is seven here.
I'm gonna guess beans because they're like all beans. Which ones you got?
We got 2.
Okay, come here, show us. Oh, we got watermelons at home. We don't have beans because we've never planted that many beans before. Guys, leave us a comment if you think Atlas should grow beans. And if we get 5 comments, we'll come back and buy her a big thing of beans to plant. Deal? Deal? Hey, you gotta give me a high five or it's no deal. Hey, don't get that coin.
Ooh, fresh corn.
Close your eyes. Keep them closed.
Hi guys, guess we are
Where?
Mother's.
Walmart.
The punishment. And my dad got me one more. Then we had 5.
All right, let's go see. What are you here for?
Toys.
All right, we didn't find nothing at the dollar store.
No toys.
Let's go see. Do we need a
Dog
cart?
toys. What?
Go get us a cart.
No.
What?
I'm gonna buy one toy.
Guys, guess what I just found? Little pineapples. Little pineapples at Walmart. $19. Wow.
Chocolate.
That's awesome. Hey guys, you want to see my cool trick? I'm going to show Atlas. Ready? Ready? I'm leaving you. Oh, she just went the other way. But get the cart. I'm going to leave her. Oh, goodness. Let's go, cart. Gotta tiptoe. I'm leaving her. Ah, she's seen me. She's seen me. All right, guys, what do you think about my new hat? What do you think, Atlas? Oh, you got the same one. Oh my goodness, guys.
What?
We're in Walmart, and they're playing Barry White.
Guys, let me say.
What'd you say?
Me love my
Dad,
new glasses.
Your new glasses.
My new glasses and me buy. Inside Shrek.
You've had those glasses now since school started, just after school started. They're not really new anymore.
No, my purple ones.
Your school ones or your sunglasses?
We buy to watch.
Oh.
Us once.
Oh, your sunglasses, okay. I thought you were talking about your sunglasses. What are you eating?
Guys, yes. Close your eyes.
Okay, closed.
Yes, it kind of cut.
Guess what color? Yellow, gold, or white in her
And be a
shoes.
rainbow.
All right, open it up. Let's see. White. All right, keep eating.